Hello guys, Rob here. Round 1 of the Blockbase token Airgrab for EOS accounts is here. So in this video, we're going to walk through how to claim yours. Before we get into that, I do want to note this is the Blockbase token contract account, and this does require 240 bytes of available RAM in order to get your name on the list for this Airgrab. And as you can see, each person who has Airgrab so far, 0 BBT tokens have been sent to them. This is because each account is not guaranteed a certain amount of tokens. How this works is a certain amount of tokens will be divided among all EOS accounts that claim during the claim period. So you will not get these tokens until next month when the claim period is over. There's just no way for them to know how many people are going to claim over this month-long claim period for them to be able to send you tokens at this time. But you do need to go ahead and get your name on the list, perform the sign-up action, and then those tokens will be distributed to you next month. So you can sign up for this Airgrab on blockbase.network through the sign up for Airgrab button. But I'm going to head on over to the EOS Authority Airgrab page and claim them on here. So I'll leave a link to this page in the description, but if you just wanted to go to the EOS Authority site, you would just come up here to the wallet section and then go to the Airgrab section here, and that takes you to the page. First thing you want to do is connect your EOS account. Come up here to the Add Account button, click that, and it gives you different options: account name, scatter, hardware wallet, mobile wallet. Choose whichever wallet you would like to use. I'm going to use scatter. On the EOS network, this is an EOS Airgrab, so we need to be on the EOS network. Click Add Accounts, and scatter will pop up. Allow that to connect, and select which EOS account you would like to use. I'm going to use Send EOS to CML for this example. Click Allow, and now my EOS account, Send EOS to CML, is connected via scatter to the EOS Authority Airgrab page. Simply come down on the Airgrab page, and you can grab whichever one of these you want, but this one is for the BBT token. Blockbase token account, Blockbase TKN. Yes, that is just the account we looked at, Blockbase TKN. Everything's set up right there. Simply click Airgrab and give it a second for your scatter to pop up. There we go. And what you should see in the scatter pop up or on your wallet is the token contract account, Blockbase TKN, and then the sign up action. Sign up action, I'm signing up this EOS account, and right now 0 BBT. We just went over that. Click Allow. Transaction success, and I am done. You can go look at your account on an Explorer. Here on blocks.io, I'm just going to refresh the Blockbase token account page, and there it is. There's my Send EOS to CML, signed up for this first Airgrab. There you go, guys. That is how you Airgrab your BBT Blockbase token using the EOS Authority Airgrab page and whichever wallet you'd like to connect with it. I'll leave a link below in the description to eosauthority.com's Airgrab page. But that's going to do it for this quick one, guys. Are you on Telos yet? Telos is an EOS.io blockchain currently paying out hefty REX returns thanks to the Telos Economic Development Plan and running at 0% inflation. Check out the link in the description to pick up your free Telos account through the button here. And if you have a Telos account and have Telos on it, learn how to REX your Telos using either Squirrel Wallet and Scatter here and here. This message on Telos is brought to you with the support of the Telos community via the Worker Proposal System. But that's going to do it for me for this one. I will see you guys in the next one.